looking for a place where engineering can actually go beyond textbooks, that is where you can build, grow and experiment, you're at the right place. Welcome to Srinivas Institute of Technology, Vallachal, Mangaluru. Come, let me take you on this breathtaking journey with me. At Srinivas Institute of Technology, your journey goes beyond its possibilities. That is, with courses offered such as computer science, mechanical, electronics, with its allied branches, and architecture. This institution is guided by the visionary founder Chancellor Dr. C.A. Raghavendra Rao. The institution was built on a strong belief that education can transform lives and society. Today, that vision is being taken forward by the Chancellor Dr. A. Srinivas Rao with a clear focus on practical learning, industry relevance and overall student development. But here's the difference. It's not just what you learn, it's about also what you do with it. At this institution, they give you exposure to real projects, practical training and industry exposure. This is the Ethnotech Lab, where learning is hands-on. Students get exposure to practical skills with global certifications so they can graduate with what the companies are actually looking for and step confidently into their futures. This is the Google Nexus Club, where simple ideas turn into real projects. At this club, students come together, learn new things and build. From simple apps to AI, learning goes beyond classrooms. What you see right here at the Marine Department are the actual working models built by the students. It's one thing to study concepts, another thing to bring them to real life. This kind of exposure brings real confidence, and this is the only college in Karnataka that offers this. Here, students gain immersive real-world exposure, from marine systems to hands-on training. Through onboard experience, port visits and internships, they step confidently into careers in shipbuilding and maintenance. Step into the world of mechanical engineering, where ideas turn into machines. In this department, students learn how to design Formula-style Race 1 cars, the ones you see on television. With this, they gain hands-on experience that goes beyond classrooms. This is Aeronautical Engineering Department, where ideas take flight. At this department, students design and build drones and gain hands-on experience with aerodynamics and flight control. This kind of exposure opens up opportunities in aviation, UAV technology, research and defense sectors. In fact, students have secured internships at institutions like National Institute of Technology Karnataka, which speaks to the level of training and industry readiness here. Welcome to the Automobile Engineering Department, where students design and build powerful all-terrain vehicles from scratch. It's not just about machines. It's about mastering performance, safety, and real-world engineering that drives the future. Not all automobile classrooms have walls. Some are built on wheels, designed to push limits and conquer any terrain. Some places teach you architecture, but this place redefines it. This is the first and only architecture college in the south of Karnataka to receive 5 national awards, because this place just doesn't teach you creativity, it helps you to live through it. If you're someone who loves design and creativity, you'll feel at home here, where the architecture department brings ideas to life through detailed models, studio work, and hands-on learning showcased in student exhibitions that transform concepts into real-world designs. Life at Srinivas Institute of Technology isn't just about the classrooms. It's beyond that. It's a place where you build yourself, grow, explore, and evolve with limitless opportunities. From vibrant cultural fests that light up the campus with music, energy, and creativity, to competitive sports that keep the spirit alive, Srinivas Institute of Technology is backed by a strong placement cell that turns passion into real opportunities. In the world with AI and data, it's not just about what you learn, it's about how quickly you adapt to it. This is exactly where TCS BCA gives you an edge. That's where TCS sets you apart. It goes beyond theory, combining classroom learning with real industry projects. You specialize in high-demand fields like artificial intelligence, where systems can think and evolve. Data science, where data drives business decisions. Cloud computing, the backbone of today's digital world. And cybersecurity, where you protect systems from the real-world threats. With industry-recognized certifications, real project experience, and access to top recruiters. Because today, the industry looks for specialists, not just graduates. And this is designed to make you one. So when you graduate, you're not just qualified, you're truly industry ready. In the heart of Srinivas Institute of Technology lies the Sri Srinivasa Temple, a place for calm and clarity where students can take a break from their busy lives. Because this journey isn't just about building a career, it's about finding yourself. Your journey begins right here, right now. Admissions are now open. See you soon at the campus.